How to sync contacts to Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom left. Again, click on Settings. In Settings at the top, you can simply click on Search Settings and search Contacts. After you search Contacts, you will find Upload Contacts option. Click on Upload Contacts. Now it will lead you here. Select the Facebook account and then click on Continuous Contacts Upload. Turn this on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you turn it on here, it will sync everything. This is how to sync contacts to Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.